The 2008-2014 Dodge Challenger key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. Replacing it is straightforward and can save you money. Here's how. Step 1. Opening the fob. Locate the small notch or groove on the side of the fob, usually near the key ring. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a coin to gently pry it open. Be careful not to damage the plastic case or rubber gasket. Step 2. Removing the old battery. Once open, carefully pop out the old CR2032 battery. Note the polarity with the positive side up to ensure correct installation of the new battery. Step 3. Installing the new battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the correct polarity. The positive side should face up. Step 4. Reassembly. Snap the fob case back together until it's securely closed. Test the fob's functions like lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic button to ensure it's working. You may need to reprogram the fob. Remember, avoid static electricity, which can damage electronics. Use insulated tools. After replacing the battery, you might need to reprogram the fob to sync it with your Challenger. Follow these steps to reprogram your key fob. First, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Next, press and hold the lock button on the key fob for a few seconds. Then, turn the ignition off and remove the key. Finally, test the fob to see if it's working properly. If the fob still doesn't work, here are some troubleshooting tips to try. First, check for corrosion on the battery contacts inside the fob. Clean them gently with a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol. If the signal is weak, make sure the battery is properly seated and the fob case is fully closed. Be cautious of counterfeit fobs, especially from online marketplaces. Purchase from verified Mopar dealers to ensure compatibility. If all else fails, you may need to visit a dealership or locksmith for professional reprogramming.